Who wants to tell me what kindness means?
Treat people how you want to be treated.
Absolutely, definitely. Hello everyone, and thank you very much for inviting me to take part in your assembly. Today I wanted to talk to you about the importance of being kind and looking after one another. We all have our ups and downs, especially when things change in our lives, as they have in so many ways recently. This can cause us to have a huge range of different feelings. Sometimes these feelings can be good, but sometimes they may be uncomfortable and we feel worried, angry, or upset. Being unable to see your friends or spend time with your family will undoubtedly be frustrating for you, just as it is for them. It's been a really difficult time for us all. But it's important to know that these feelings and frustrations are totally normal and that they won't last forever. Talking to someone, whether it's a friend, family member, or teacher, is something you can do to make yourself feel that little bit better. And you can also play your part in helping others to feel better too, whether offering a friendly ear or helping someone in need. Small acts of kindness can go such a long way. But as we help others, we mustn't forget to nurture ourselves by taking the time to focus on the things that make us feel happy too. This might be playing our favourite game, being outside, or talking to our friends. They all help with our mental well-being. I'm now going to go and join a Zoom call with some pupils from Waterloo Primary Academy in Blackpool to find out what kindness means to them. So if you want people to be kind and be nice to you, then you've got to make sure you're kind and nice to other people back. Very good. Has anyone else got other ideas? Yes, go for it.
Sharing, that's kindness.
Absolutely. Sharing your time and sharing your toys and sharing your friendship, all of those things count. You're absolutely right. Well done. Anybody else? Has anyone else got ideas about what kindness means?
Olivia, can you?
We need to tidy up after ourselves.
Absolutely, that's another one, because that's been really helpful, isn't it? And helping out at home and things like that. Have you been doing lots at home, Olivia, to help out your mummy and daddy?
Yeah, I've done loads of jobs so they don't have to do it.
Wow, well that is very kind of you. Boys, have you been doing anything helpful at home?
I help them do the washing.
You help them do the washing?
I've helped my mum and dad get all the dirty washing, and I help my mum and dad get all the dirty washing from the whole entire house.
Fantastic. Well done you for being so considerate of your parents and helping them out. And what do you think, if a friend of yours is really kind to you, how does that make you feel?
Really happy. Happy, yes, super.
Really happy. And does it make you happy if you're kind back?
Yeah.
It's true, isn't it? So many times when we do things for other people, it makes us feel really good about ourselves. And so what other things do you do that makes you feel good about yourselves?
So at home I made a rainbow NHS cake for the NHS.
Wow.
And when they cut into it, loads of Smarties fell out.
Oh, no way, that's ingenious. Good idea.
Yeah, they said it was messy.
Did they? And how did it make you feel, Olivia, making that for somebody else?
It made me feel really proud.
You should be really proud, absolutely. Well done you. Now I gather, have some of you been taking some photographs?
Yeah.
Have you? Brilliant. So I'd love to hear about the photographs that you've been taking to show your acts of kindness. Do you want to explain some of them?
Right, do you want to hold your photographs up and put them in the positions that we talked about? Okay, wonderful. So, Olivia, would you like to talk about your photograph?
So, I was doing some painting, and then I thought, I'll leave this nice and tidy for the next person.
Wow, well done you. So did you tidy it all away?
Yeah.
not only is that very helpful, but that's very considerate of other people. You're putting other people first. So well done you, Olivia. Fantastic. I'd love to see one day a picture of your painting you did. Were you pleased with it?
Yeah.
Well done you.
In my picture, I was sharing some of the blocks with Talia, and then we were trying to make a tower with the blocks.
Fantastic. How did it make you feel when you were sharing? Did that make you feel happy? Yes.
Yeah.
And Talia, what's your photograph about? What does that show?
My photograph is me handing out the dinners because I want to tell the staff and to make sure all the children get their dinner.
You like doing it, so do you think you might do it again?
Yeah.
Good. That's the thing, is if we try these things out, we don't realise sometimes how good they make us feel when we're out there helping other people. And I bet they were thrilled as well. So well done you, been very busy. Freya, what's your picture of that? What's your photograph of?
My picture's that because all of us, not just all of us, but we're making a rainbow, and then some other people joined, and we made it out of cones and things in the room, like
Fantastic.
pens, cones, and I'm in the middle.
I can see that looks very creative, and I love the fact that you're sharing with everybody, and so you're not just doing it by yourself, you're including everybody, and that's very kind of you to be so considerate and thinking about other people and being so generous as well. How did that make you feel? Was it fun doing it all together?
Yeah, it was fun doing it all together with everyone.
I bet. And have you all been busy doing rainbow pictures as well?
Yeah.
You've all done rainbow pictures. Fantastic. Well, I think the NHS have been so proud, and they've been so grateful for all the acts of kindness that everyone in the country has been showcasing. Such a small act of kindness can go such a long way. So well done, all of you. Thank you for inviting me to speak to you today. Look after yourselves, reach out when you need help, and do your part to support those in need.